I'm doing my laundry. I just came back from work. It's Friday today. So every Fridays I do my laundry because on Saturdays I get very busy. And then when I get very busy, because every Saturday I do my shoots for my content creation on TikTok. Most of the time it takes me for about half a day to do my shoot on Saturday. So I get so tired in such a way that when I'm done, I will need like a break, maybe 3 hours or two, to just take a break or take a nap to just relax. And then when it's time for me to wake up, it's already late. So that's why I'm always doing my laundry on Fridays, to avoid all that tiredness and not doing anything. Because on Sundays I go to church. Not all Sundays, because I attend the church. It's a distance from where I live now. So yeah, that's why I'm doing my laundry today on Friday. What did I want to talk about? That's just that. I don't want to lie to you. I don't have anything interesting. Let's just say for now. But I'm just thankful to God that we are alive. We've never went to bed hungry, and I'm just grateful for life. Yeah. So like it's always like this. I'm always like this. And after this I'm going straight to bed because I will be so exhausted. Imagine coming back from work and you never rested, and you just have to do everything. Yes. So guys, I don't know. You know how hard it was for me to post my first video, my first ever vlog. It was so hard. I mean, like, it took me the whole day to edit that video. Another half, I think it was like 4 hours trying to upload it on YouTube. Oh my God. I can't shame because you 4 hours mina ngijwayele Facebook manje soqedile. Hayi lena ke baka YouTube lapho ke manje you know editor. Yo, that thing is hard. I don't tire trying to edit that video, but yeah, eventually it came out. Yeah, I ended up doing it. You know what? We're gonna chat later. Let me just get busy with this because I want it to get done so that I can move on to another thing. So yeah, guys, I'll catch up to you later. Gets so dirty because I only clean it once a week because I'm always not here and I'm always not using it. I use the one that I like, so let's clean it. Yo guys, I'm so tired. I'm exhausted actually. I'm thinking I'm thinking to go and take a nap and see. I'll just do the cleaning tomorrow. Come on, Aibo, angibulalanga muntu. I'm thinking of just taking a break and watch some vlogs I downloaded on YouTube. And then if I don't know, ngikhathele ngalama bump ayangiqeda. What happened here? Hayi, ngiyolala, ngizoyibona kusasa, ngizoklina kusasa. I can't. It's not like there's someone who's holding a gun and saying, hey, if you don't finish today, you are dead. No. So yeah, I'm gonna clean tomorrow. I'm sorry, ne? We're gonna continue tomorrow. Morning, guys. It's Saturday today, 6 a.m. Let's continue with our vlog. I'm about to wake up now because, like I said, my Saturdays they get very busy. So by 8, I need to have freshened up and have prepared for my son breakfast so that when my colleague comes, I am ready for shooting. I'm done freshing up for Saturday. Here is what also. We are going in search of our breakfast. I'm craving for fat cooks and polony today. So let's go. We are Pila. Angisakwazi. Yeah, guys, so we found it. So let's go and have breakfast. Ukosi is late today, Sonje. I don't even know what's happening. They look so fresh. Ngithanda ukuthi mangivloga ngiveze now. Say hi, Wandy.
Hi, I love the cheese.
Oh, guys. So remember when I told you that we were about to move where we stay? There's umoya lana ngibona ukuthi lizongizwa. I will tell you guys when I get inside. Yeah, so remember when I told you that we are about to move to where we stay? So guy lo ongitholele indlu ungibizile manje ngidlule kuye wangitshela ukuthi i-room ready, so we're going to move tomorrow with Wandi. I'm going to tell you guys a story, a long story, a whole story when we have already moved. So it's been like months since I haven't eaten amagwinya no polony, and because I'm looking at my weight, but today I wake up and I was like, I can't. Kill me if you have to, but no. And they are so fresh, they are so fluffy, they are so warm. Yes, family, I just woke up now. I've been sleeping for like 4 hours. Oh God, I am fresh now. I feel so alive. So my Saturday didn't go as I planned it to go because my colleague, the one we do content together, she had to go somewhere, she had to attend an emergency, and I ended up not doing the shoot today. But again, you guys, I'm so sorry. Remember yesterday I promised you that I would do a vlog cleaning inside my house. Oh my God, that's me. Yimi loyaya ngiyacleana ngiyaqeda. I realized when I was done with Haibu, I should have vlogged that. Now guys, you guys are gonna forgive me. It's my first, I'm new on this thing, so really I'm still going to to be doing a lot of mistakes. So angisakwazanga vlog and clean up because ngikhohliwe basically. And then when I went to get breakfast, amagwinya, and then I came back and then I texted my friend, are you on your way? And she told me she can't make it today. She's gonna make it tomorrow on Sunday, after I come back from church. So I just went back to sleep because I woke up very early, you guys. I woke up very early today because I know how it gets busy. Yeah, now I'm awake, and I'm sorry for promising you something and not making it, but I promise you tomorrow I will do a vlog whereby we are shooting. So yeah, see you tomorrow on Sunday.